There seem to be some mixed signals from your administration about the interrogation of terror detainees, and I hope you'd clear it up for us. The CIA, with your approval, confirmed this week that the CIA conducted waterboarding on 3 al-Qaeda prisoners back in 2002 and 2003, and a White House spokesman said that you can still approve that practice depending on circumstances. On the other hand, CIA Director Hayden said this week that he's not sure whether or not it's legal anymore to conduct waterboarding. So, to set the record straight, do you think it's legal, and are you prepared to authorize it if you believe it's necessary to protect the nation?
First of all, whatever we have done was legal, and whatever decision I will make will be reviewed by the Justice Department to determine whether or not the legality is there. And the reason why there's a difference between what happened in the past and today is there's new law. And so to answer your question, whatever we will do will be legal. Now, the American people have got to know that what we did in the past gained information that prevented an attack. And for those who criticize what we did in the past, I ask them which attack would they rather have not stopped? Which attack on America would they have said, well, maybe it wasn't all that important that we stopped those attacks? And I'll do what's necessary to protect America within the law. That's what you got to understand. And
I want to follow up on that. Whether it's interrogation of terror prisoners or the intercepting of surveillance among al-Qaeda members, are you ever puzzled by all the concern in this country about protecting the rights of people who want to kill us?
That's an interesting way to put it. I wouldn't necessarily define some of the critics of my policy that way. I would say that they want to be very careful that we don't overstep our bounds from protecting the civil liberties of Americans. And I understand that a lot. I do think that some of the programs we put in place on the listening to people calling into America, that some of the claims about what we're doing have been exaggerated. And I don't think we ought to extend the same protections to terrorists overseas who want to kill us that we provide our own citizens when it comes to surveillance matters. This has been a difficult issue for me because I am. Listen, I no more want to trample the civil liberties of the American people than anybody else does. On the other hand, I understand the nature of these people, and I understand the complexities of trying to protect the American people, and I think we found a fine balance. I truly do.